Have you ever left something you loved to find something you loved even more? My name is Grace, and I'm a senior at UNC. I hope today I can shed a little light on who I am and why I am who I am. I'm going to tell you guys about 3 objects that represent the reasons who I am and represent my past, present, and future. I'm the youngest of 4 girls. My oldest sister, right here, is only 8 years older than me, so I grew up extremely close with my sisters. We did everything together. Of course, as girls, we fought a lot growing up, but it's made us closer as adults. About 6 years ago for Christmas, my sister Leah got us, all 4 of us, bracelets. On each of our bracelets, it has the other 3 initials on it. For example, mine has JRL for Jesse, Rachel, Leah. This bracelet is my first object because it resembles my past, being so close to my sisters. It resembles how dedicated I am to my family. And that's why it was so hard for me to leave. Before college, I had never been separated from my family. Even when my sisters moved out, I still stayed with them and saw them multiple times a week. When I moved to Greeley, it was really hard for me to part with my sisters. The only person I had was my boyfriend, now of 5 years. I had him to fall back on, but it was really hard for me to leave my sisters. I didn't know what it would look like creating a whole new life in Greeley. My object that resembles my present is my order book for my job as a server at Chili's. The reason I chose this is because it represents the new life I've created here in Greeley. I'm now a server at Chili's, and I have a whole new family there. I work, I spend time with my boyfriend, and I enjoy the new life I've created as an independent adult. I'm happy with my present and where I am today, but I'm also excited for my future. I don't know what my future holds, and I say this because my object that represents my future is a map of the United States. The reason I chose this is because after college, my boyfriend and I plan on moving states. We don't know what will happen to get us where we are, but both of us have decided we want to get away from our families and out of our home state and have a fresh start somewhere new. We think we want to stay in the Midwest, and we want to find somewhere with lots of land. We're excited for the mysteries that our future holds. All 3 of my objects represent stages in my life that I'm so thankful for and that have shaped me into who I am and who I'm going to be. My bracelet helps me remember my childhood with my sisters and what they did for me. My Chili's book helps me remember the life I've created here in Greeley, and this map helps me remember the life that my life has still so much more mystery to it, and that I have so much more to look forward to. If you take one thing away from my speech today, I hope it's to be thankful for every stage in your life. Even though some stages hold heavy burdens and some are harder than others, each one shapes you into who you are. So who do you want to be?